Good morning, this is SMC's Equity Outlook. Indian markets opened on a negative note due to weak global cues and extended their losses in the afternoon trade, weighed down by financial, capital goods, oil and gas, telecom and auto stocks. Bank Nifty have erased nearly half of its gain, falling more than 13% in past 7 trading sessions after the RBI Governor Raghuram Ranjan surprised the market on his policy review by rising interest rate, followed by a slew of downgrade by rating agencies. Among the Asian markets, Hang Seng Nikkei lost nearly 1 to 2% as fear as possible shutdown of the US government at midnight looms if the Republicans and Democrats fail to reach common ground on debt ceilings. Yesterday, all eyes were eagerly waiting for June current account deficit data and expected yesterday evening. It will determine if the government can manage to keep its full year fiscal deficit within its estimate $70 billions. Technically, Nifty has formed head and shoulder pattern on daily charts since last 2 weeks and it has given the neckline breakdown of same during yesterday trade. We anticipate that this selling momentum can continue for coming days for completing the gap area which was formed on 10th September. So, every bounce at current levels should be considered as selling opportunity for the downside target of 5650 or 5600 levels. For today's trade, Nifty can find support around 5700 or 5680 levels, and on the upper side it may face hurdle around 5760 or 5780 levels. Here are the few technical stocks for intraday trade. Buy Biocon for the upside target of 348-352 levels with a stop loss of 332. Buy CESC for the upside target of 348-352 levels with a stop loss of 333. Buy Uniphosphorus for the upside target of 150-153 levels with a stop loss of 140. That's all for today.